Hello everyone. So how's everyone doing? And let's see. Again, we will do pick a card. Now this is the card 1 and this is the card 2. So I shall give you a couple of seconds to call on your divine angels, archangels, or the white light, or gods, goddesses, whomever you feel connected to see which is the card for you for today. So now let's start. We shall go with card 1. This is the affirmation, or this is the wordings: true wisdom in making good choices in life. So today you shall chant 21 times, I shall take true wisdom and I shall make good choices in life. So I shall take true wisdom and I shall make good choices in life. That will be your affirmation. Now let's see how the day is for you. The first card which has come is the Emperor. So very powerful day. I really love the Emperor card in tarot. So it's a powerful day. You will be in control of things. You will be able to handle your finances, your work, your career, wherever you want to do, whatever it is that you're doing today. You will have the authority in your hands. You will know what you're doing and you will know how to do, and you will know how to be successful. So if you're going for a meeting, then be rest assured that the meeting is going to be successful. And if you're going for an interview, then it shall be in your favor. If you're starting some new venture, or you're doing something new, that also will be in your favor. So let's see what is the next card today for you. Okay, now there's another beautiful card. It says, what I feel when this card is coming is, don't become dependent on anyone. Just be on your own, and don't start overthinking about issues which are happening, because overall your day is good. Just be in control of your emotions. Have a check on your situation, have a check on your emotions, and just let it go with the flow. Always remember one thing, that if you know where you are heading, then you don't need anyone's advice, or you don't need to depend on anyone. So abundance wise, let's see. Now that is again a reaffirmation. It says, there's a guidance coming. So here, if you see here, when you make divine intelligence your foundation, you finally have fixed a star to follow. So just go by, as I said in the beginning itself, just go by what you feel guided, and don't go for what others are advising you, or don't go to what others are talking about you. And overall, if you go by your inner feel, the day will be successful and in your control. I would suggest wear something in brown today, and I would also suggest that in the morning have a bath, this time with rock salt. But soon I shall be bringing in certain tips where you will need Epsom salt, you will need Himalayan salt, so you can pick and keep. I don't want you all to start worrying where to go for Epsom salt or Himalayan salts. It's easily available nowadays. So today you just have a bath with your rock salt. To it, add a pinch of cloves powder, and then have a bath. And before starting your day, burn a white candle, dedicate it to the divine, and tell the divine to guide you and to make you make you feel protected, and to also keep giving you signals from time to time as to what you need to do. So now I think I have spoken much about card 1. Now let's see what is for card 2. Okay, breaking bad habits. Self acceptance, excellent mental health, and letting go of vices. Morning 21 times you will say, I am accepting myself, I am in excellent mental health, and I am letting go of vices. This is what you'll say 21 times. So now let's see what is in store for your day today. Beautiful card, Queen of Cups. I feel emotionally there's a lot of, you are on check. If you've been having an emotional roller coaster of late, today you will feel fine, you will feel happy. But somewhere I feel, I don't see this cup only as emotional. I feel that you will be in control of your situations. You will be able to handle your office, your personal life, and your professional life very well. And you will feel very happy that things are going the way you wanted it to go after a long time. So let's see what the card 2 says. Chariot. Travel is there in cards for some of you. If someone is trying for an abroad opportunity, there are chances that you get a good news today. If children who want to study abroad, they can start applying from today, because the card indicates that chances for getting selected for abroad to study are very high today. And overall, if you see, I would suggest a card of travel, success, happiness, and everything in control. Wear something in yellow today. Start your day by wearing something in yellow today. Today, burn a lamp in front of whichever god, goddesses you follow, and after burning the lamp, just chant 108 times Om Gam Ganapatiya Namaha, and then you can start your day. Let us see what is the financial card talking for you. Intuition. So it says go by your intuition. Now, when I see this, I don't feel by intuition. I would say just go by what your heart is asking you to do today, because I see this intuition of the heart and not of the body, or sorry, not of the third eye. So go by what your heart is asking you to do, and I'm sure the day will be successful for you all. So all of you have a blessed and awesome day ahead, and I shall be back with the predictions for the next day soon. Thank you.